Today I will show you my favorite way to dress. Many requested this video and I hope I will be able to give you some inspirations. As I'm taller than the average, sometimes it's challenging to find the piece of cloth which perfectly fits. Usually the sleeves are too short, as well the distance between the waistline and the crotch, knee-length boots ending unexpected somewhere in mid-calf, and also the bra stripes tending to have a funny length. Also I have a Pear body shape. My hips and tummy are wider than my upper part. I have higher than average waist and hip ratio. Also my neck is long and thin, and I got not the prettiest legs in the world. So when I'm dressing, my aim is always to give better proportions to my body with some little personal twist, hiding imperfections and avoiding too much volume. I know many tall women who love wearing all black, because black optically making the things seem smaller. I also love to be dressed in unicolor, just my black is navy. Being tall, the main rule is to avoid too many vertical lines, and unicolor is one entire vertical line. So I'm tending to split it into parts and add few focal points, making some sort of the layer cake. Crew neck forms a horizontal line, not shortening my neck too much. I'm always choosing it with the folds, and it gives some curves and emphasizes my small breast. I'm always adding the belt to show my middle. I think that way I'm looking more finished and sophisticated. I love slim fit pants, but as we know, the length can be a problem zone, and sometimes it also making a feet look frumpy, so I'm always cuffing them until the tiniest part of my cuff. I think it goes very well with shoes on a little heel. It's a little bit of casual chic look without trying too hard and not screaming for attention. And my bee's knees is the combo of navy with brandy color, because those two make the most perfect combination. This unicolor outfit I would be wearing for decent dinner in a restaurant. I feel more elevated but not too overdressed. White polka dots dilute taupe and give different shades, splitting the long silhouette at the waistline. I still love my legs looking long in nude color shoes. For the casual look, 95 pieces out of 100, I'm wearing dark wash jeans and the long sleeve shirt with dropped hemline, for making my hips less heavy.
Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing?
I love wearing jackets because I think it elevates the jeans and gives a good balance. I like to wear this kind of outfit when I need to look serious, but not too serious. Few shades of blue with here and there added beige make all appearance softer, as it breaks the body length in several sections.
We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready?
Very often I'm keeping my tops tucked in front of my pants, And here it's some trick how to make it look proper and stay inside. Twist it a couple of times around the finger before tucking. In the summer, I'm very fond of wearing dresses. Especially I love the linen knee-length ones. But those what are a knee length for an average height woman, appearing to be above the knee length for the tall ones. This one is exactly such a dress. Above the knee, slim cut, and also with lowered waistline. It's not the best when one is tall. However, I love it in combination with a slim fit jeans and colorful sandals for add a little variety and draw the attention from my head to the lowest part. I also like the liberal length of sleeves, which indicates my waistline. When you are tall, fit and flare dress is your cup of tea. I love the neckline. It's not the boat neck, which is my favorite, but close to it. It's very peaceful designed, well accentuating a waistline with a good length of an A-shaped skirt. And even though I don't like any kind of embellishment on the clothes, and this dress together with the pink flowers on the pink background creates kind of marshmallow look of a little girl. I love to dress it for more special occasions. I am adding a moss green shawl and turning a little girl into an adult. It's very natural combination, like pink flowers with green leaves, just like those roses behind me. And I think it's such a nice way to emphasize your height. My summer favorite is flare linen dress in ink blue. It's absolutely simple design, slightly oversized. It was tailored with a crease in the middle which turned two diagonal lines into an A shape. It's so easy to wear it, and it draws all the volume down to the knees, adding proportion to the body. It's the only piece of cloth in my wardrobe which I would never pair with another navy accessories. I like to make a drama here, because having a big body, I have a place for it. To wrap it all, my aim isn't to blend in the crowd and become invisible, but embrace my dimensions. With my favorite colors, fabrics and designs, I'm trying to create simple but not primitive style for tall women. I hope you enjoyed, and I would love to know also your tips.